Hey there! Ever heard of the term paycheck to paycheck? No, it's not a new dance move. Living paycheck to paycheck is a type of financial trap. It's where you need every single dollar of your next paycheck just to cover your current bills. Instead of getting ahead, you're just shuffling money from your job to your bills, over and over. So, how does this trap really work? Let's break it down with an example. Imagine Alex gets a new job and earns $3,000 a month. Sounds pretty good, right? In the first month, Alex doesn't track anything. Alex spends some money on rent, some on food, a lot on going out with new work friends, and gets a new streaming service. But here's the trick. Alex isn't really tracking the small spending. Now it's the end of the month and rent is due. Alex looks at the bank account and panic. There's only $100 left. Alex is now stressed, waiting for that next paycheck just to survive. This is the trap. Alex isn't making any real financial profit, savings. Alex is just using new money, the next paycheck, to pay for old decisions, last month's spending. How do you escape the trap? The trap only works if you're not paying attention. The way out is a simple 6-step plan. Step 1. Know what you make. You have to count all the money coming in, no guessing. Alex needs to know the exact number. $3,000. Step 2. Know where it goes. This is the big one. Alex needs to track everything for 1 month, every coffee, every subscription. This isn't to feel guilty, it's to find the leaks. Step 3. Give your money a job. The 50-30-20 plan. This is the plan that breaks the cycle. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills. $1,500 for Alex. 30% for wants. Going out, hobbies, subscriptions. $900 for Alex. 20% for the future. This is the most important part. Savings, investing, and paying off debt. $600 for Alex. Now, Alex has a plan. But the plan only works if you do. Step 4. Pay yourself first. This is the secret. The moment Alex gets that $3,000, Alex immediately moves $600, the 20%, into a separate savings account. You save the money before you can accidentally spend it on pizza. Step 5. Avoid the debt trap. Paycheck to paycheck cycle gets way worse with credit card debt. That interest is like a scammer promising you can have it all now, but you end up paying way more later. If you can't pay it in full, you can't afford it. Step 6. Prepare for the collapse. Sounds dramatic, right? But what happens when Alex's car breaks down? In the old plan, Alex would go into debt. The new plan uses Step 6. Build an emergency fund. That 20% savings builds a shield, so when life gets crazy, the whole plan doesn't collapse. Why this plan works. The paycheck to paycheck trap is just like a Ponzi scheme. It feels like you're doing okay because new money is always coming in, but it's not stable. The second you lose your job or have an emergency, the whole thing collapses. This 6-step plan is the opposite. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real proven financial structure that thousands of financially independent people use to build real wealth, not just shuffle money around. So remember, if your spending plan feels like you're just getting by, you're probably in the trap. And of course, don't try the paycheck to paycheck life at home. If you want me to make other videos about these simple money tricks, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.